Welcome, today I'm with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first of all, just go to settings and here scroll down and find the securities, tap on that, and here you see the SIM card lock, tap on that and just tap on the switcher to turn it on. Just for example, give a pin for this card 1 2 3 4, confirm, and now you see that the switcher is turned on, so that means that we just locked our SIM card. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.